to the Honorable Chief Minister of our state for making it convenient from his busy schedule to attend this program B2B session. Although it is a very brief session, our Honorable Chief Minister will put forward his message or remarks to you all. As for the last 2 days, you have been here, you had the opportunity to visit some of our important tourist destinations, and the experience being shared by you all with us last night. And this morning, this session, I sincerely believe and hope that will be a highly productive one in presence of our Honorable Chief Minister, Professor Dr. Manik Saha, who has also got keen interest to take it forward further in the coming times when it comes to the tourism prospect of our state. Our state, as you all know, tucked in a corner of the northeastern region, has got huge tourism potential. And Government of India, led by our Honorable Visionary Prime Minister, Professor Narendra Modi ji, has also been very, very keen to extend his cooperation to all of us for the overall development of tourism sector in our state. And in the coming times, as I urged upon you all last night also, let us grow together, hand to hand, shoulder to shoulder. हमें आने वाले दिनों में अब एक साथ काम करना है ताकि त्रिपुरा को हम आगे ले जाएं टूरिज्म सेक्टर में। और जैसे खन्ना साहब ने अभी अपने भाषण में बताए कि नंबर 1 स्टेट में से त्रिपुरा को चुना जाएगा, छोटे स्टेट में से। If Himachal can emerge as an important tourist destination, as a hill station, we have Jampui Hill, which is the only hill station in our state. हम लोग चिल्का जाते हैं, केरल जाते हैं, हमारे पास शोकेस करने के लिए नारिकेल कुंज है जहाँ पे आप लोग कल गए थे। हम उदयपुर में जाते हैं, राजस्थान में जाते हैं वाटर पैलेस के लिए, हमारे पास निर्महल है वाटर पैलेस। तो in the earlier times these were neglected. The importance, emphasis were not given to the tourism sector. But under the able stewardship of our Honorable Chief Minister, Professor Dr. Manik Saha, we have been marching forward for overall holistic development of tourism sector in our state in connivance with Government of India. I am very, very proudly telling you all that in the coming times, in 2 years, when you come here again, you will find a complete different state in terms of tourism. We are bringing more infrastructure. We are adding more amenities, the roads, the connectivity, everything have been taken care of by our Honorable Prime Minister at the request of our Honorable Chief Minister. And हर साथ एक साथ हम आगे बढ़ेंगे टूरिज्म सेक्टर को आगे ले जाने के लिए। ये हमारा वादा है आप लोगों से। आप भी हमें मदद कीजिए। Try to showcase or sell our state to the other parts of the country as well as the outside of the country. ये जो त्रिपुरा है इसका इतिहास क्या है, हेरिटेज क्या है, we have different culture, food, tradition, and that all when comes together that makes the unity in diversity. As you all are here gathered representing different states, some of you have come from Gujarat, from Maharashtra, some Andhra, from Kerala, from Lakshadweep, from Jammu and Kashmir. तो मैंने कल बोला था कि एक साथ ये जो हम बैठे हैं ये शोकेस करता है यूनिटी एंड डाइवर्सिटी को। और इन आवर स्टेट त्रिपुरा वी हैव 19 सब ट्राइब्स। हमारे यहाँ पे आज आप देखेंगे जो इवनिंग का सेशन होगा यहाँ पे आस्तबल फील्ड में 19 सब ट्राइब का जो रैंप पे ये लोग आएंगे आप देखेंगे, दिस विल बी ए मस्मराइजिंग परफॉर्मेंस बाय देम। तो ये हम शोकेस करना चाहते हैं भारत के और विश्व के पूरे देश में ताकि आने वाले दिनों में त्रिपुरा को हम टूरिज्म सेक्टर में आगे लेके जाएं। एंड आई फर्मली बिलीव that can be a collective effort. Together we grow in the coming times. With this pledge, I would like to conclude my speech. I once again thank and from the core of my heart to the Honorable Chief Minister for making it convenient to remain present from his busy schedule to put his remark and address you all. Thank you very much. Wish you a pleasant stay here. Jai Hind.